students, welcome to our YouTube channel Statisticians Hub, and in this video I am going to discuss the basic data types in Python. Let me first start by introducing myself. I am Kritanjali Chakravarti, Masters 3rd Semester, Department of Statistics, Assam University, Silchar. So let's move to our topic and discuss the various data types in Python. So what is it? In Python, data types classify the types of information that a variable can store. They control how the computer interprets and manipulates data. Basically, there are 8 data types in Python, and they are integer, float, string, list, tuple, dictionary set, and Boolean. Now let us see what is an integer. An integer is a data type used to represent the whole number without any decimal point. For example, we can take any number like 50, 100, etc. Next comes the float. In Python, float is a data type used to represent number with decimal point or fraction. For example, 3.14, 2.5, etc. The third one is the string. String is a sequence of characters enclosed within single or double inverted quotes. Here I have written an example, hello world, which is written in double inverted quotes. Next is the list. List represent ordered collection of items, and it is immutable, which means it can be changed. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is written in third bracket. The fifth one is the tuple. Tuple is similar to list, but the only difference is that it is immutable, that is, it is fixed and it cannot be changed once it is created. Here I have given an example 1, 2, hello. The sixth one is the dictionary. In Python, dictionary is the data types where we can pair things together, a key value and an element. Each key is unique like a word in the dictionary, and it has a corresponding value like the definition of that word. Example, person is equal to name, alias, age 30, city, New York. Here, name, age and city are the keys, and alias, 30 and New York are the corresponding values. The next is the set. A set is a data type, is a collection of unordered elements. It means elements are not stored in particular order, and it is always represented in curly bracket. The last one is the Boolean data types. In Python, Boolean data types represent truth value, which can either be true or false. With this, we can check whether something is true or false to control the flow of the program or to compare value. For example, is sunny is equal to true. Here, is sunny are the Boolean variables representing whether it is sunny or not. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video, and if this video is helpful for you, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to Statisticians Hub for more such videos.